Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, this is Iqra Applied Grammar 2 for class 7. This is lesson number 29. So open your books on page 35. The students, yesterday you were given the homework to solve the practice exercise A, and this is the feedback. Sentence number 2, he may not go swimming. Look at the picture. The boy has a racket in his hand, so he is not going for swimming. So we have circled may not. Sentence number 3, she may visit a park today. Sentence number 4, they might not buy a new house. Sentence number 5, I might finish my homework today. Sentence number 6, you may win the competition. Student, this is practice exercise B on page 35. Complete the sentences with the phrases in the box. The first phrase, may not attend. Second, might not sell. May give. May lose. Might commit. May not rain, may not come. The students, first sentence has been solved for your convenience. The second sentence, the first sentence, they may give you the keys of the car. Sentence number 2, the bus driver dashed today for us. Sentence number 3, we dashed the function of the school. She dashed her necklace to get money. The criminal dashed his crimes before the judge. He dashed the job due to his rude behavior. Sentence number 7, it dashed today because the sky is clear. Dear students, do the exercise, pause the video, and after solving the exercise, once again watch the video and have the feedback. The students, I hope that you will have done the exercise correctly. Now match your answers with me. Second sentence, the bus driver may not come today for us. Sentence number 3, we may not attend the function of the school. Sentence number 4, she might not sell her necklace to get money. Sentence 5, the criminal might commit his crimes before the judge. Sentence 6, he may lose the job due to his rude behavior. Sentence number 7, it may not rain today because the sky is clear. Dear students, this is your homework, students, extended practice. Write about what you might do this weekend. Use may or might and may not or might not. There are phrases in the box. I read for you. Meet my friends, play cricket, go for a walk, watch television, eat fast food, do my homework, travel out of city, read storybooks, attend a ceremony, clean the house. Dear students, there are 10 sentences in this exercise, and you will do the exercise very well. I hope that you will do the sentences very carefully. The students, now this is the time to say Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.